partner for life, my reason to fight. Through the highs, through the tears in the night, I don't need the
Hello everyone, you're gonna see we're now in Sif and see the view. We're across the hotel and there is study. Those were the boats. So we're gonna have dinner here. See the view. Oh, ganda. See there. My son is there, Andre, and I'm gonna show you the other side. And here is study. Oh, there's very nice naman the boat there. Actually, I think this is the dinner. You can have dinner in the boat here. So it's very nice, right? This is the creek. And right there, see at the back, you're gonna see some restaurants over there. And later on, we're gonna have dinner. So nice. Daddy, halika dali. Ang ganda ng mga boat, oh. See, we're on the boat. Ikaw lang, mama. At malayo naman. Para. Yan. See, show them the buildings over there.
Over
Ano, wala.
Layo ka kasi. Kami.
Mami, mahulog ako.
No. Ayan, dyan.
I'm gonna fall down.
Napakita mo na yun dun namin?
Yeah. Ikot ka lang.
Ay, ipapakita ko sa ayan.
Tangahin mo ka.
Okay, pakita natin yung yan. Okay.
Oh, it's very nice here.
Tapos, yung sa likod. Yan, ikot natin. Yan.
Okay, and then we'll see there.
Saan? Lakad tayo na
Where's
konti.
Andre, ka?
Serious. Dito yan, lakad dito.
So nice here. It's so warm. Actually, it's already May, but we cannot feel the heat. So,
Pakita ka rin yung mga
the weather
barko.
is changing in Dubai.
Yung mga bangka, barko na yan. May papakita sa ang aming junior sa likod. Say hi, Andre. Ray. Nahiyan
So
ngayon.
shy.
Dito, paikot itong lakaran dito. Maraming restaurant dito. Masasarap na restaurant, kainan, iba-iba. May Chinese.
So now we're looking for our
Ito.
restaurant.
Dito ay pakita ko isang pakita ko yung
Diretso lang.
restaurant na kainan din ito, nadadaanan dito sa loob. Andyan. Ayan, meron pa yatang tagahatid. Ano yun? Ano yung mga yun? Ayan. Tapos,
Alright.
ayan, sa loob yun, papakita ko yung mga hindi natin. Yun, doon, diretso doon. At dito naman,
Where is our restaurant? Andre, can you check the restaurant?
ano ito? Gusto mong coffee?
Yeah,
Kape,
coffee is here.
inside coffee.
Later we're gonna have coffee.
Yeah, coffee. Pakita na yung kapihan dyan. And then, may iwas ito. Oh, okay. Wait, papakita ko muna dyan. Oh. Okay, so dyan. Dito na.
There's some shops here. Show the shops. Daddy.
Ano shop?
There.
Dali. Dito.
Yan.
Titinda ka ng I love Dubai. Mga
Souvenirs.
kumpare ko, ayan o. Hello, pare. Hanapin natin siya. Pupunta kami sa Chinese restaurant daw. Gusto niya ngayon. Pagkainan namin. Pwede tayo pumunta doon namin.
I think it's there.
Ayan, maraming tinda-tinda dito. Tulad na ito. Yan.
Pwede yung dito off and then flip the camera na.
Like, mamaya, pag pagdating doon sa may, pakita ko yung ano dito. Ang building, tsaka mga nakaparadang mga ano
I
siya.
think it's there.
Mga nakaparadang
And then i-off mo na.
yeah. Mamaya, off mo.
Dance by.
Kaya dito tayo, pakita ko muna. Kaya mga sige.